I am nature. Clouds, water, forests, waterfalls, oceans, soils, and deserts, all are mine. I am the mother of nature. I don't need you, you need me. Yes, your lives do depend on me. It is the way you live, not me. I am nature. I am not dependent on you. The forests are mine. The soil is mine. The trees are mine. Clouds, water, all are mine.
Children are born, the old die. I continue to be. If you cannot take care of me, I cannot take care of you.
I have been here for 4.5 billion years. I don't need people, but people need me. Your future depends on me. I have fed species greater than you. I have starved species greater than you. I live, you die. It is the way of life. This is how it goes. You can't do anything. Sorry, I can't help it. It's the way of life.